Hi there, in today's video we're going to be removing these Tesla Aero wheel covers and we're going to have a look at the alloys that lie underneath them. We'll also be installing a wheel cap center cover kit and figuring out which looks best and which is the best choice going forward. So the day after I collected my Tesla, I set about removing the Aero covers and installing a center wheel cap cover kit. Now there's different types of wheel cover kits that you can get. You can get ones where everything's smaller in individual pieces, so you've got like a central disc in the middle and then you've got individual lug nut covers as well, but I just prefer the bigger 5-claw wheel cover kit. So the install is about as straightforward as you would expect. I'll just show you on one wheel here, but obviously you're going to do it on all 4 wheels. You just got to gently prise off that Aero wheel cover as gently as you can do so you don't damage the alloys underneath. You'll then want to wipe and clean the alloys that are underneath, and then once you've done that, you're just going to put in the center cap cover. You've just got to apply a bit of pressure and then it will click into place, and then you just need to repeat that for each of the other wheels. So once you've done all 4 wheels, I suggest you go into your Tesla settings and go and change the wheel configuration to the Aero cap kit, and you'll see the car's no longer got the Aero covers on. And then the system needs to reboot for whatever reason. I guess that's to do with the adjustment in efficiency due to removing the Aero covers. And that's it, you're all set, ready to go. So let me know what you think. Do you think it looks better with or without the Aero covers on? Is it worth the small loss that you get in efficiency for the increased looks? I think for me, definitely it is. I prefer it without the Aero covers on, but I know some people like the Aero covers, you say they look futuristic. So comment down below and let me know your thoughts. So eventually I will be uploading a video of all the accessories that I bought for my Tesla, whether I recommend them or whether they actually ended up in the bin, which some of them have, but I just want to have used them for at least 3 months before I start recording any videos saying how good or bad they are. So stay tuned for that video. So here's some footage of me driving the car without the Aero wheel covers on and just those center cap kits. Personally, I think it looks great like this, but let me know in the comments below if you prefer the Aero covers as opposed to the alloys that lie beneath. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you can hit that like button and consider subscribing if you want to see that video on all the other Tesla accessories that I bought. Peace out, I'll see you in the next video.